Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Research and Analysis. My name is Dr. Kamran. Did you know that the colors you choose can have a significant impact on your eyesight and overall reading experience? By selecting a calming color, you can create a more comfortable environment for your eyes, and it can make you more engaged with your document or thesis. Studies also suggest that if you are using a calming color, it can reduce your eye strain, it can improve your focus and enhance overall readability. But the point is, can we change the color of our document in Microsoft Word? The answer is yes, and this is very simple. You can see this is my screen, and here I have opened one of my article in Microsoft Word, and here you can see so many options including file, home, insert, draw, design, layout, and so on. From these options, just click this option of design. Once you will click the design, and then you will need to move on to the right side of your screen. And here you can see three options of watermark, page color, and page borders. In order to change the color of your document, simply click the small arrow of page color. And here you can see bunch of options from where you can select any color which you feel more comfortable to your eyes. I usually select this color, sky blue, because I feel more comfortable in reading my document in sky blue. So I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.